Where we at today, honey? We're at the White Sands National Monument today. We're going to take a drive through. Another bucket list. Mammoths to ranchers. Humans have been coming here for more than 10,000 years. During World War II, a new set of occupants arrived in the basin, the U.S. military. Alamogordo bombing range, now called the White Sands Missile Range, was established. In 1945, the first atomic bomb was tested 60 miles north of where we are today. We are at the visitor center gift shop area right now. Billions of grains of sand. The White Sands dune field, just wide, it's deep. Isn't just wide, it's deep. One could dig at the shallow space between the dunes and still hit sand 30 feet below. 4.5 billion tons of gypsum sand are here. Enough gypsum to fill 45 million boxcars. A train long enough to circle the Earth, the equator, over 25 times. As we was driving over here to White Sands, I just did a 360 and I realized that this area is surrounded by mountains. It's protected by mountains. An invading army would have to go over a mountain to get into this area. It's really, really cool if you think about it. Is that why they decided to put the missile range here? The training center? Desert warfare training? Mountains all around as far as you can see. They are really, really off in the distance in that direction. Probably going too fast, sorry. Well, we knocked off another bucket list item, White Sands National Monument, and we're getting ready to drive through. We have our National Parks Pass, so it will be free for us. So we're here. We're trying to bring you things that we're seeing, and the sun's right in our eyes, so please forgive us. But yeah, we're here. Here we are, we're at White Sands. There's Sadie. Y'all want to see Sadie. She's the star of the show.
Say hi.
She's never been around anything like this before. She wants to get going. We're going to go walk down the trail over here in a minute. Here we go. Sadie always gets spoiled. She gets to come places where the other dogs don't get to go. She acts like it too. She acts like she runs things when we're back at the RV. This is rubber rabbit brush. This tall grayish green shrub produces hundreds of tiny golden flowers in late summer. Feathery flowers are followed by conspicuous white downy seeds in the fall. Navajo weavers used rabbit brush flowers to create a yellow dye for their rugs. Sadie! Sadie! She's got a mind of her own. She acts like she doesn't even hear sometimes. And I know she can hear. I've tested her hearing. Go on. It's okay. I just read a sign that said there are grayish-white lizards that live in the landscape here that just blend in. They've adapted to the background to hide. So glad we purchased the America the Beautiful Pass. We got the senior rate because we're seniors, and it's getting us into a lot of national parks for free. I think it is $35 or $40 to get in the Grand Canyon, and that America the Beautiful Pass will get me and whoever's in my car for free. Greenery growing out of the sand. So neat. The reason I like to show these things, there are some following us that won't get to see this in person. So I like to videotape these things so they can stop it and read it if they choose to. Very, very interesting, very, very educational. We just noticed this, what is probably a lizard hole right there. That is neat. Come on. There you go. You're a good girl. It's not going to hurt you. Sadie is spooked by this. I don't know if it's the cracks or just the metal. I think it's a metal or composite. Look at that, everyone.
No. I'm actually very dog friendly, so.
A little closer look. Put a little bit of zoom on it for you.